What is up guys, Tim Dessaint here, and today we are going to learn how to properly clean white sneakers. But these aren't dirty enough. I'm gonna need some dirtier sneakers than that. Okay, now we're talking. Now we've got some proper dirty white sneakers. Let's get to the cleaning. So for today's video, I have partnered with Aldo, who has kindly provided me their sneakers, which I have completely soiled, and their shoe cleaning range, which I'll be able to use during the cleaning process. So in cleaning sneakers, the process I would go through would depend on, first of all, how dirty they actually are, and the type of material the sneakers are in. First of all, let's talk about the most common types of material that the vast majority of white sneakers come in: leather and canvas. Option 1, if the shoes are just lightly stained, maybe you were out in the park and caught a little mud and they just need a quick fix. Start by wetting a kitchen towel and wiping off the shoe. That's going to remove the superficial dirt and the very light stains. Then you want to use a shoe cleaning wipe. These bad boys work like magic. You can actually tackle most light to moderate stains with only these wipes, and it'll take you less than a minute, so it's perfect when you're on the go and you just need a quick fix. Now on to option 2, the deep clean. This is what you're gonna do when your shoes are in need of a thorough clean. The first step is to remove the shoelaces, because we really want to get in there and clean underneath the laces, but more importantly, we want to get the laces cleaned as well. So we're gonna throw them in the washing machine. If there are tough stains, you can also coat them in a stain remover and leave them to soak in the solution for about 10 minutes before throwing them into the wash. With white laces, I like to wash them at 40 degrees to really tackle the stains. You want to start again by using a slightly damp kitchen towel to remove any superficial dirt. And then you want to use a dedicated shoe cleaner like this one from Aldo. Now keep in mind, this is not suitable for suede or nubuck. This is specifically for leather, canvas sneakers, rubber soles, nylon, and synthetics. What's cool about this gel is that it comes with a brush attached to it, so all you have to do is press the brush onto the shoe, gently squeeze the bottle, and scrub the stains and dirt away. Once you've given the shoe a thorough scrub, wipe off the excess dirt with a clean, dry cloth. And make sure you rinse the brush applicator when you're done with it. This is not mandatory, but if you also want to clean the outer sole of the shoe, I like to give them a wipe down with a cleaning wipe. Finally, once the shoe is nice and clean and dry, do not forget the last step, but definitely not the least: waterproofing them. If they are canvas, suede, or a synthetic material, use a waterproof spray. Simply spray the shoe all around at about 30 centimeters distance and leave them to air dry overnight. If they are leather, however, you can use a waterproof lotion like this one, which is not only going to help protect the leather from rain, snow, and potential light stains, it'll also condition and nourish the leather, which will keep it looking good and healthy. Now let's talk about the black sheep of the group, suede sneakers. I'm actually not sure I've ever seen suede white sneakers. I've seen a lot of suede sneakers, of course, but white for some reason feels much rarer of a color for suede. So I'm gonna have to cheat a little bit. I'm gonna use these beige suede sneakers for this. But anyways, when it comes to cleaning suede sneakers of any color, you're not going to be able to use the same cleaning products as for other materials. The most important thing with suede is to keep them waterproofed. This will help a lot in preventing damage and stains. But if they do get stained anyways, you gotta use what I call the magic brush. This brush, specifically designed for suede and nubuck, has two sides. You want to use the brush side first to remove the dirt, and then gently use the erasing block to remove scuffs and marks. It's as simple as that. Alright, now that we know how to clean your white sneakers, here are 3 tips to help prevent them getting dirty in the first place. Number 1, we've touched on already: waterproofing, but we haven't talked about the frequency of it. Yes, this is not a one and done thing. You have to waterproof them regularly. Around every 2 to 3 weeks is a pretty good frequency for shoes that you wear every other day. However, if they are exposed to a lot of water, such as heavy rain, you want to waterproof them again right after that. This will help immensely in protecting your shoes from the elements and prolonging their life. Number 2, when your shoes get stained, you want to clean them as soon as possible. Don't let the stain settle in. Tackle it ASAP, because the longer you wait, the harder it's going to be to get the stain out. Number 3, leather is easier to clean than canvas. I love my canvas sneakers as much as the next guy, but I have to admit, leather is just so much easier to maintain, which is why I think subconsciously I just gravitate towards leather sneakers more often, because I know they're going to be easier to clean. And that, my friends, is how I keep my white sneakers clean. You can check out Aldo's shoe cleaning products in the link in the description below. And if you'd like to check out any of these sneakers as well, I will also leave a link to them. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And if you did, share this with a friend who really needs to clean his sneakers as well. I wish you all a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.